Now that you are aware of display advertising and its various types, let us now take a look at another type of advertising, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's products. It is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. The affiliate marketing has four core players, namely the merchant, network, publisher, and the customer. The basic affiliate marketing program falls under two categories: pay-per-click or PPC and pay-per-performance or PPP. Pay-per-click or PPC is a type of sponsored online advertising that is used in broader manner in websites and search engines, where the merchant pays the affiliate if a web user clicks on an ad on the affiliate's website. In pay-per-performance or PPP, the merchant only pays when the customer referred buys a product from the merchant's site or becomes a lead. Here the payment can be made on the basis of pay-per-sales or PPS or pay-per-lead or PPL manner. Now, let us take a look at social media marketing. Social media marketing refers to the process of gaining traffic or attention through social media sites. It usually creates a content that attracts attention and encourages readers to share it across their social networks. The resulting electronic word of mouth or EWOM refers to any statement consumers share via the internet about an event, product, service, brand, or company. When the underlying message spreads from user to user and presumably resonates because it appears to come from a trusted third-party source, as opposed to the brand or company itself, this form of marketing results in earned media rather than paid media. There are basically two types of approaches in social media marketing. They are the passive approach and the active approach. Passive approach strategy is an approach in which various articles, blogs, and interaction are done to garner more traffic onto their posts. The active approach is a strategy where the direct marketing platform or a public relation podium is used as a social media communicating channel to gain traffic and attention. The communication process is ongoing on these social media at every second 24/7.